All right, working on my window felt guides. Um, so for starters, here's the one. This is the two per door on the outside, and they usually have a fabric wrapped on here. The ones I had were completely destroyed. So when you re-glue something on here, you probably want something a little bit strong, like a thick fabric. I have some type of woven nylon material. Um, it's it's pretty tough stuff. So what I did was I just got a piece of paper and then just kind of lined it up, and kind of guessed on where I want it to fold over and glue to, like that. And then you just tuck those in there like that. And so use that to trace on here, and then I cut the pieces out. So I'll glue those on. And then here are the interior. We'll talk about it later. I can't remember which is the front or the back. I think this one's the back, but we'll talk more about that later. Again, I'm replacing these. Mine, they were in good condition. Felt it, but they are starting to rip off. This one came off. And then here's the replacement felt. So you cut this piece here in quarters. And that's where the felt I got it from. And so I'll get these off, get the glue and stuff cleaned off, and then I'll work on getting those everything put on. All right, I got the old felt and the glue off on these guys here, and then I already cut these in quarters, so lines up. They're all exact length of this. And then before you put them on, you want to cut along here. So you want to cut along where just this a sticky pad is. All right, like that. Okay, and they go right in the bump. Okay, some people may think they go down here, but nope, they go right on that bump. Okay, there you go. All right, and then I'll do the rest. All right, these are all done. Pretty simple, real easy. And then I finished the outer ones. So they did pretty good. And then glue I used, you should probably use some type of fabric glue. I'm here at the garage. I had nothing to glue it with, so I just used my seam sealer. It's just a brushable seam sealer. It works. It's really tacky. It works. I think it would work just fine. But I'm sorry I can't say exactly what glue to use. But that's what I used. It's just this brushable stuff. Something meant for gluing stuff, but I think it would work just fine. And then check out my next video on where these get installed and how they get installed.